Today's video is a recipe video and I'm going to show you how to make vegan chicken and mushroom fettuccine alfredo the quick and easy way with minimal ingredients, minimal effort and maximal flavor. So firstly, you're going to obviously need some pasta. I've got collezione here, and this is the closest thing that I have to fettuccine in my local supermarket. But linguine also works well, and of course if you can find fettuccine then use it. 200 milliliters of cooking soy milk. It has a thicker consistency than regular soy milk, and it's going to give you that creamy texture and flavor that you desire. Then of course we've got the vegan chicken. This is about 50 grams. And then you've got half a stock cube, a vegetable stock cube. I like using kanya stock cubes, as for me, I prefer them personally as they're the most flavorful. But you can use any vegetable stock cube that you personally enjoy. And then 3 cloves of garlic, and 8 medium-sized mushrooms over here, and a third of a teaspoon of salt, and that's it. So first thing you want to do is heat up a large and a small saucepan. The large one is for the pasta and the small one is for the sauce. And one ingredient that I also didn't mention at the start of the video is oil. Add a tablespoon of olive oil into the small saucepan and put that small saucepan on medium heat. Next step is to chop up all of your solid ingredients, and as you can see here, that's already done. After that, add all of the solid ingredients to the saucepan, then cover the saucepan and stir regularly every 30 seconds or so. Covering the saucepan will allow the mushrooms to lose their water content. Once the mushrooms have lost all of their water content, you can then proceed to add the soy milk, the stock cube and the salt. Once all of that's been added, you can reduce the saucepan to a low heat and then remove the cover and stir regularly. You should find that with all that time you've been busy with the sauce, the pasta water is boiling and you can add the pasta and cook it till it's al dente. Cooking the sauce for about 5 minutes will allow the stock cube to dissolve adequately and therefore give you the max flavor for the sauce that you want. I almost forgot to add that the amount of pasta that I use for this recipe is 250 grams, 250. So adjust the sauce ingredient according to the amount of pasta you're going to use. And here we have the end result. You can add some freshly ground pepper like I have, or some parsley as optional extras. Enjoy.